Rock and flow and let niggas know whether it's fast or slow. Still I shine like mop and glow. I'm topping those foes, plus taking their hoes after the shows. And that's the way it goes, and I don't give a fuck who knows. But still the verbal poison, I strychnine. I'm quick to get mine. Without the use of the nine, my mind takes off like airlines and collect like flights. My style indicts since the nights of the heights and invites any MC to come and test it. You'll get verbally molested from the Buddha blessed individual who lyrics are original and prime. Bust off like semen every time. And even if I'm sober, the ability, ill skill, agility to ride the beat like a rover out on the range. To the range style that'll change. Wow, you be standing there with the same smile, thinking a way to strike back like Darth Vader. The weak rhyme hater for styles that's played out like Betamax. I fax my dick size to any trick's eyes. Who's real me from the waist down in the room? She will be face down. No question. This is the way it has to be. The lyrical fly mastery causing a catastrophe.
They say I'm out my mind, so I must be out of sight. Cause when I start to rhyme, you know my style's got to be tight. But niggas wasn't always checking for me on the mic. But don't you worry, son, I'm alright. They say I'm out my mind, so I must be out of sight. Cause when I start to rhyme, you know my style's got to be tight. But niggas wasn't always checking for me on